Bitcoin is trading at 29.2k, and if you look at the 1-day chart ETH, I said market is going to come into this level, and that is exactly what we see. Is market going to move up? I am going to talk about that in this very video. And Matic for our chart, market sluggishly move out of this area, and right now it's like market is going to move up. What are we going to expect on this very chart? All of these and more into this analysis. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all the educational content. 1-day chart BTC USDT. I have been talking about market coming to the downside after we see this very move to the downside. That means after market failed to move up, market going to come down, and I said the level you should be expecting is the $29,000, and that is where the market paused, and right now it's like market is going to move to the upside. What I am expecting right now is the market to continue its movement upward, because if you look at this very area on the chart, market moved from here to the upside after the Fed interest rates last month, and after this movement market begin to correct a little bit to the downside. What I am expecting is that market should continue this impulse, that is after this retracement market should continue its movement to the upside. So expect the market to begin to move upward on the 1-day chart on BTC USDT. And then if you look at this very area, markets have capacity of moving down sluggishly. Like I said, don't expect the market to go below $28,000, because that is where we see the Fibonacci retracement 2 at 0.50% Fibonacci level. So market can move sluggishly downward and begin to move up right here. So expect the market to move to the upside. If you put on the Fibonacci retracement 2, you will discover that the market have capacity of moving sluggishly into $28,000. So from here to this very level on the 1-day chart, this is the 0.382, which is a $29,000, and market have capacity of moving down sluggishly into this very area of 0.50 on the Fibonacci. That means market is going to move up from this area or from this very area. What you need to expect right now is increase in volume on the 1-day chart and a significant bullish candle to the upside. Another important thing you need to watch is I want to see reduced momentum on the 1-day chart MACD. That means the MACD should reduce in momentum approaching the zero line on the MACD right here, and then possible formation on the positive side of the MACD with green bar is an indication that market is going to move to the upside also. But the most important confirmation that you need to watch out for is increase in bullish momentum to the upside. Once you see that, the market is going to move to the upside. So what I am trying to say is that you should look for that movement from this very area of support to the upside, or market moves sluggishly into $28,300, and then that movement is going to happen from here, then move to the upside as well. So either of this level, 29,000 and 28,300, market should begin to move to the upside. That means I am not expecting any aggressive move downward. Don't expect any aggressive move downward. Market should move up. Okay, that is what you need to pay attention to right now. That means you should be looking for buy opportunity. And on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market dropped significantly and then retrace, come back again, and was not able to create a new low lower than the previous low at this area. That is an indication that market is beginning to turn to the upside. So from this very area of support, this very point, and this very area is an important support level. So this very area is what I am looking at right now. Market should not go below this area. That means a move below this very area on the 4-hour chart will further make the market to drop into $28,300. That means if you see the market drop below here, then expect the market to come into this very area of $28,300 from here to the downside. That is what you should expect if you see a breakout on this level of support. But I am not longer paying attention to market moving aggressively to the downside. I am now increasing my bullish directional bias on the 4-hour chart at this very area. And before I take any buy position, I also want to see the market move significantly upward and create a new high, higher than this very high at this very point. So there should be a movement to the upside to this very area and this very point. Market should be able to break out on this very level of resistance on this very zone. Once you see that breakout on this very zone with significant increase in volume, then that means the market is going to continue its movement upward. And we are going to take this trade because right now, like I said, I am beginning to increase my directional bias to the upside. That means market should move up than market is going to move to the downside right now on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. A breakout here, I'm going to trigger a buy position. And if markets break down on this level of support, I am not going to sell, neither going to buy. But if markets break down into the 28,300, I am also going to buy from this area of $28,300. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT. And on the 1-day chart ETH, I told you that the market is going to come into this very level of support. And that is the exact same thing we are seeing right now. Market in this level of support. I am not expecting as well the market to drop below this level of support. That means market should not go below this level of support right here. The possibility exists because nothing is impossible in the market. Market can drop right here and begin to move down into this area of support in the market, but that is not what I am looking out for right now. What I am looking out for is the market to move to the upside. That means we should begin to see bullish momentum upward rather than the market moving downward on the 1-day chart ETH. Another thing you need to pay attention to is a reduced momentum on the MACD histogram to the zero line on the MACD approaching the positive side of the MACD. Once you see that with increased momentum in the bulls, that is significant bullish candle, that also is an indication that the market is going to begin to move to the upside on the 1-day chart ETH. Right now, expect the market to move up rather than breaking this very level of support. That is what I am expecting right now. And on the 4-hour chart ETH, if you look at this very area, market is finding it difficult to move up. So we must have to see the market break certain level to prove that the market is not going to go down anymore but move to the upside. This very area of support is very important. This is the last place the market get to, and then right now market make a move to the upside, fail to create a new low. That means market have capacity of moving to the upside, but I am expecting the market to break this level of support as well on the 4-hour chart. Market should move significantly upward and create a new high, higher than this very high, out of this very level of resistance. That means market should move up and create a new high out of this very level of resistance. Once I see that, that will increase my capacity to buy the market. Also remember that yesterday was the ECB fund rate, and they increased rate by 25 basic points, just like the US did. Increase also by 25 basic points, but the market have already priced in prior to this release, and market is not going to continue its bearish movement to the downside. Market will move up from this area where the market is right now. This is my own directional bias. And what do you think about this market right here? Comment below in the comment section if you have a contrary opinion. And on the 4-hour chart Matic, you see this very area of Matic, I was talking about this area and that market is going to come back down, and if market break out, we're going to see the market come into this level of support. Market did not come into this level of support, rather market come into this area of support again and then come back down. Right now market is going to move down on Matic. So on Matic, I am expecting the market to move sluggishly downward before the next move to the upside. Before you take a buy trade on Matic, ensure that market break out of this level of resistance. Very, very important. Before you take a buy trade on Matic, this level of resistance right here, before the market will move up, should be broken. Once we see that breakout, then market is going to move to the upside, because we must see a high that is higher than the previous high at this very area on Matic before taking a buy position. Market have the tendency of moving sluggishly downward on Matic before that very move upward. So if market did not break out on this level of resistance right here, don't take a buy position. And also, this is not the right time to take a short position on Matic from this very area, because market has already moved from here downward. Market can only move a little bit to the downside before that very move. Once you see this very breakout on this very area of resistance, then take a buy position for Matic to move to the upside, because the market is going to move to the upside. This is my directional bias. What do you think about Matic USDT for our chart? Do you think market is going to move sluggishly and then break this area, or you think the market is going to move straight into this zone of support and then begin to crash back down the more? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Check the channel for other educational content. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.